Welcome to GuanJing method. Today we are going to be connecting with the belt vessel, which wraps horizontally around our waist and is responsible for energetic boundaries, holding things together, and it's what connects our lower body with our upper body. So let's begin by bringing the hands right behind our back body, behind the sacrum, finding that easy seat, using the heel of your hands to stimulate and massage right around the waist, using whatever you need. Maybe you go more towards the thumb part of the palm, maybe you go towards the heel part of the palm, drawing it all in towards the midline of the belly button. Smooth, deep breaths, reaffirming your energetic boundaries, what feels like energy leaks, what feels like people or situations taking away from your energy, or people who aren't respecting your boundary, and using this moment to massage and claim your energetic boundary again, as if you're putting on a shield around your waist. Feel the energy of the chi moving out of your hands as you exhale, painting that armor, but also massaging and bringing energy flow to this area. Smooth breaths. Beautiful. One last time here. Inhale and exhale. And then we're coming on to lay on our back. Taking the feet nice and wide. The feet are almost touching the glutes and the knees are out wide. And from here, you curl the tailbone under. And as you do so, you take that same massage position that we practiced and now move it even further down and use the leverage. So you're getting a lot deeper into the lower part of the belt. Using the heels of the hands to press and run along the sides of your hip bones. Exhale, and if you feel tender or sore there, there's definitely is a way of saying, hey, I need to refine my boundaries, my energetic boundaries more. Pressing in and down. Beautiful. Let's do this a few more times here. Using your hands to move this energy and at the same time painting clear energetic lines that protect and nourish your sacrum, your center of your power, which is right here at the solar plexus. One more time. Beautiful. From here, taking the knees into the chest, rocking side to side, resetting the sacrum, and then rocking back and forth, all the way up, slowly to stand. Take your time. Taking the feet nice and wide, interlacing the hands, palms face up, bend the knees, and from here we'll begin to paint giant circles with our hand, feeling into the expansion, the breath all along the belt vessel, all around your torso. Feeling the muscles activating, holding things together, spiraling and swirling strength here in the solar plexus. Bringing and calling all of your energy back into the midline. Smooth breaths in and out through the nose, a light bend in the elbows, shoulders move away from the ears. Now let's move to the other side, inhaling. Using the base of the tailbone to create and paint these beautiful circles. Smooth, full breaths. Wonderful. Last time here. And inhale, coming back to center, stepping the feet together, placing your hands once again, and small circles all around your torso, all around the belt, polishing this energy field as if it were beautiful gold. This golden light begins to shine all around the belt vessel, reestablishing your boundaries, bringing all your energy back to the center, the midline. Feel that energy swirling back. One more breath here. And sweeping it off, shaking off anything loose. And thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you feel this refinement, the bringing back of the energies, feeling the resiliency of your energetic boundaries. I'll see you in the next one.